welcome back to the channel. Today I brought the wagon up to my mate's yard, R&H Scott. Got some pretty tidy kit, and I brought the wagon out because I need to make sure it runs R8 and see if there's any problems. And while I'm here, I managed to get used to the pit. Have a quick look underneath, because it's a lot easier to look underneath with a pit than trying to scratch it on the floor. So let's have a squint under here. Ooh, I could get used to this, like Lewis. I could get used to this. Oh yeah, be a lot easier fitting them brake chambers in under here than scratch your boot on the floor, like. That's R8. And the filters. They don't like any changing. Look at this, man. You see my new straps, tank straps and all that. PTO is still there. Hopefully get the PTO on it soon, working soon. But yeah, new chambers are still there and all okie dokie. That's R8 if I clean that up. Oh yeah, she's R8, man, isn't she? Could do with needle gun the diff off. Get this all needle gunned off, she'll be hunky dory when she's done. So this is Lewis's wagon, the wagon drag. And this gets worked every day in and out of the timber, so you see motorway wagons work with in worse condition, and Lewis keeps his. He keeps it very nice. Usually he's got all the wheels and everything polished up on the back end, but because it's winter, yeah, it's a proper nice piece of kit. This is Twizz's. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, Twizz's got the low roof FH. It's gorgeous, like. You see, it's used to me because I'm a Volvo man. Look at this, man. Gorgeous. All the wagons are tidy. Don't get this wrong. All the wagons are tidy. Lewis's dad has a 6 Series Scania. Lovely piece of kit. This is their yard shunter, which is a lovely piece of kit. And I have tried to buy it off them at one point, but don't want to sell it. Version 1 FH, double drive, I'll use this in the woods. It's just cool, isn't it? And then the piece de resistance, they've got a very, 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 very nice toy which needs to be restored, and I might try and get involved with that a little bit, get some footage on the YouTube channel for you. So I wonder if you can figure out what it is from the roof. This is the restoration project. They've had this as long as I can remember, and they are busy restoring it, but trying to restore it and run a haulage business at the same time. So this is what I might try and come up and get some work with. Me and Lewis get on with this. Get his 143 back on the road. Look at it, man. V8, of course. The carb is tired, so you can probably tell. Yeah, the carb's tired. Proper piece of kit. Yeah.
So that's the cab floors.
Lewis's old school friend. Tag as well. It was a working wagon. Now I'll go inside and show you, but go and show you the good bit. So obviously here's mine sitting inside on the pit. Makes life so much easier. But, do you know what that is? That is the new carb that's going to go on it. Oh, and that's also Lewis's R32 Skyline. And I'm not going to touch it because it's dusty, but it is as good as the paint is as good as it looks on the camera. Lewis has done a very good job of that. Beating the fucking light bars and all that stuff all painted up. So hopefully, maybe one day, get some work with this on the channel. The interior's back in it. Like we say, we just need some time. Obviously, I've got stuff to do. Lewis has got stuff to do. I started inside a workshop. We have got an engine light come on, and I don't know why. I have to have someone plug that in and see why. I don't actually know why at all. So I'll let it build up some wind, and then I'll get it out for Lewis because he's going to pack up and go home. Cummins. See, the assholes might die because the battery's getting a bit low, but we'll hope. Now I hope that was as good as I think it's going to be. So while I'm busy, I'm just going to change the telltales. What I've done these two because I don't have any telltale bulbs, illumination bulbs. You see I've done those two. Need to do the rest of them. They've all gone out. Just little bulbs that fail after a while, so to get them done, I'll quickly show you in a second what I went to Lewis's for. Well, there we go. They all light up. Of course, the bit that I promised you. Show you what I got from Lewis's. These new step rings. They're going to go on there. So these need painted. They've been blasted and primed. Let's need to paint them up. 3 sets now. I've got 1. They're all the same as well. 1, 2, 3. That, man, that's going to look lovely. You can't even see. That's going to make a world of difference. Just tat up that bit more. I'm happy with that. So, I'll plonk that back in. Plonk that back in there. I need to fix this as well. The grease has thickened up in the cold. The grease has thickened up. So, the door doesn't shut properly. And she's done and dusted for the day. And it is home time for me. Ah. Seen Dad's painted the posts. Makes it a lot easier to see them when you're pulling in, especially if it's dark. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm happy with that. And I hope I'll see you all soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am very happy that it made it to Stonehalf and back. We've got little bits to do, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you all soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-ra for now.